Okay, sige. Let's start with the interview.
So, before we start po, sir, can you please introduce yourself po?
Okay. First, I am Rafek Alim. I am a faculty member of this college, the College of Business and Public Administration.
Okay, so thank you po, sir. So, I start this question from since when did you started work at CCSP, or now we know now that is Cotabato State University po?
Okay. I started in 2017 as job order faculty in this college, and then as for my regular status, I was regular employed in Cotabato City State Polytechnic College last 2019 and until up to date. So almost siguro nasa 7 years in service na ako dito sa Cotabato State University.
So what is your opinion po about the conversion of CCSPC or Cotabato City State Polytechnic College, or now called CSU, from a tuition school to a free tuition school?
Okay. Maganda na natanong niyo sa akin because I'm not only a faculty member of this university, but I am also a alumni. So in my college days, in time of CCSPC o yung Cotabato City State Polytechnic College, kami yung mga student na hindi papasok sa mga free tuition fee. So, as to the question kung ano yung opinion ko about doon, malaking naitutulong niya sa mga students, especially sa mga very needed na students sa pagbayad nila ng tuition fee at saka ng miscellaneous fee.
Next question po. What do you think po is the effect of the conversion of the school from tuition school to free tuition school to our community colleges in Cotabato City?
Okay. Malaki ang naitulong nito sa community is syempre because mas marami yung mga na-accommodate na mga may hirap o yung mga nangangailangan ng mga stakeholders ng university. Mas marami na nagkakaroon ng opportunity na makapagtapos ng kanilang college level dahil sa free tuition fee na merong binibigay ang university.
Last question po. So, does this certain educational conversion have a negative or positive effect po sa employees po ng school?
As an employee, para sa akin, sa experience ko nung nag-start ang Cotabato State University maging university, malaki ang naging impact nito sa amin. For me, positive ito sa amin. Why? Because mas nakilala yung mga performance na meron ng employee ng CSU at mas na-enhance yung aming mga kagalingan or aming skills dahil mas nabibigyan kami ng opportunity ng university na mas magkaroon ng mas malawak na facility and etc. And then, kagandahan pa nito ay mas nag-enhance yung mga standard ng university from sa technology and from sa yung sa transaction na dati ay hindi pa tayo systematic.
That was the last question po. So again, this is my name is Kea Hatin Pareha,
And I am Princess Claire Zamora Marzan po.
our interviewee is
Rafek Alim from College of Business and Public Administration.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for
Thank
your time mo
you.
po,
Yes
sir.
po. You're welcome.
Wonderful.